start off with, well, debating isn't just debating. There are two aspects to it. One aspect is obviously the speaking part is the debating. And secondly, there's the judging, where we go and judge debate ourselves, and that's adjudication. So on a macro level, well, the people in our society either judge or they debate. They each year have different responsibilities, right? For example, the freshers, their responsibility is primarily to learn and say, get their feet set in these initial tournaments. The second years have to well train these freshers along with the third years. They have to organize tournaments.
It's sort of like you are continuously learning more and more, right? Because at the same time that you have these workshops and all that, and still you're going out for tournaments, and there's always so much more to see, someone who's better than you. So the level of debating just grows and grows over the years and over time that you spend like debating.
We have mocks on a regular basis, like at least once a week, and we debate against our own society members, and at times we have debates against people from other colleges, and we have cross mocks, and also people from within our society adjudicate our debates. Like we have debates against our seniors, or some seniors are adjudicating our debates. So that's how we practice for different tournaments and debates, and also for certain tournaments we have trials. And that's the fairest thing we can do for select who deserves that slot in that tournament.
Also, sometimes we have cross mocks, that is basically that we debate with other societies from different colleges. So that really enriches us in a way, because we get to know what other societies, how they function, and how they learn. So that is another thing that we do, and we have these mocks like pretty often. We have mocks almost 4-5 times a week, which is a lot, and so that's how it is.
And also something that our seniors do for us to learn much better is that they team up with us in our mocks, and so that we get to learn a lot from them through this, and this actually helps us become better debaters. Like our seniors we have a history of having like one of the best debaters in the circuit, and so these mocks really help us in achieving that, and so yes.